How you doing? This is another episode of Evo TV. Thanks for tuning in. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the like button. We would definitely appreciate it. Also, check us out on Twitter and Instagram at EV0_brand. With that being said, let's get right into the video. What's going on, YouTube? My name is Jay, last name Mo. Hope that little intro gave you a quick little laugh for today. I know a lot of people today are feeling in kind of a little bit of a sad mood due to what happened yesterday, January 26th, regarding Kobe Bryant as well as his daughter Gianna and the others that were involved in the tragic plane crash, or helicopter crash, shall I say. But just wanted to give you a little bit of laugh there starting off the video. The best way that I see to grieve is always to smile about the funny stuff as well as the good stuff regarding a person whenever something like this does happen. And also just to get back to the normal routine. So with that being said, we'll be back to making, we're trying to make videos every week or whenever we do have content or different things available. Here today we're going to be doing our first sneaker review. I guess you can say not even a review, but our first reaction video on a pair of shoes I've been talking about for the last week, or last 2 weeks actually. So let's get right into it. I know y'all are wondering, man, what shoes is he gonna pull out, this and this and that and that. I got a couple pairs coming, but this just happened to get here first. So right off the bat, y'all can already see pink box. So with that, you already know what it is. This is the Jordan 13 Chinese New Year's. That is the label for you. My personal size, 10.5. Cool. SKU number CW4409-100. Colors, pale ivory, black, digital pink. And it reads Air Jordan 13 Retro CNY. Suggested retail $200. Alright, so starting out, got this nice little paper, black, gold, and white. Nice little accent piece there. And we got the shoes. These here are very nice. Not quite what I expected. It's what I expected, but I guess you can say I'm not, I guess you can say like my first reaction when opening the box, it isn't anything crazy. But let's get a little bit of a closer inspection with them and we'll go from there. So starting out, overall look, I like. Oh yeah, that's some smooth suede right there. I'm really liking that. The tongue also has that same smooth suede. I likes. The brown also has a nice buttery suede. This little panel right here, let me actually give you a better view like this. I think that kind of shows a little better while I hold the other one. But the upper panel here, this here is like, it's also suede, but the suede feels to have been kind of like brushed down, like scraped down to where it's very light. Like you just, I don't know how to put it, got like some sandpaper and kind of brushed it over all the little circles. But then the inside of the circle is shaved down, outside of the circle still has a smooth feeling to it. Real nice accents there. On the tongue, you have the white and black Jumpman. Top portion of the circle is white with a black Jumpman. Bottom portion is black with a white rest of the Jumpman. Going to the rear, the bubble is always the same as usual. 23 inside, holographic. Bottom of the shoe, you have the pink outer portion with the white pods and brown to match the outer portion of the shoe with the black carbon fiber as well. So first impression, the shoe isn't all that coming out the box, But after checking out this suede and the craftsmanship put into it, it's a very, very, very nice shoe. I'll say that off the bat. Another thing that I'll show you here on the inside is actually different, but the insoles on this shoe, if I can get it out. There we go. One insole is pink with the black Jumpman. The other insole is going to be the same pattern as was on the paper in the box as well as on the side. At the bottom though, instead of having the Jumpman logo, this is the year of the rabbit, so you have the rabbit's paws. The bottom portion has a bigger paw than the front because the bottom reflects the rabbit's rear feet, top reflects the rabbit's front paws. So that's a really nice accent piece there. But we'll sit those to the side, and I'll just give you a quick look at the shoe. But I'm real happy with this purchase here. I wasn't really sure how I was gonna be or feel about these. I still have no clue what I'm gonna rock with it, but overall they're very nice. That's a quick front view for you. You've already seen a little bit of the side, so there we go. And here we have the rear. This reminds me of like a very premium version of the Wheats that came out back some years ago. Like if they were to make a premium version of them. And let me show you the inner portion here really quickly. Very, very nice. And I'll show you one more look at the soles on the bottom. Alright. But I have no clue what I'm rocking with these. I got this hat in last week as a sample, which is a similar pink color, but it's so many different crazy colors or shades of pink that I really don't know. We'll see what I end up doing with it. I don't think this pink is gonna match up quite right, but we'll see. That's the two colors side by side. I don't know. The pink on the shoe kind of has like a little bit of trulescent color to it. This is just like straight pink, but it's a little bit close. We'll see. This hat also will be on our site, evobrandclothing.com, here this upcoming week. So be sure to keep an eye out for it, as well as our Black History Month collection is also available now, or at least partially available. More stuff will be dropping, but it is available now on the site. For this hat here, this is our Hustle edition. Pretty much it says hustle, born to do it. You already know that's what it's about. No matter what your goal is in life, hustle and you'll get to where you want to be. But with that being said, this is a major goal for myself. As I mentioned in some of the previous videos, I was really looking forward to these, and I still am. So if you want to get a pair, look online. They actually are still available. Not all sizes sold out. I saw some outlets really only had looked like size like 9 to 9.5 down, sold out. Bigger sizes were still available as usual. But this has been another episode of Evo TV. This is our very first sneaker first reaction / review. So if you do like this kind of content, please hit that like and subscribe button. We would definitely appreciate it. My name is Jay, last name Mo. This is the end of our episode, and we out.